Welcome, I'm Per Peterson. I'm the Chief Nuclear Officer and the co-founder of Kairos Power. Our mission at Kairos Power is to enable the world's transition to clean energy. Nuclear power provides that potential because it releases large amounts of energy with zero carbon emissions, which meets a major worldwide and U.S. priority to decarbonize electricity grids and ultimately all of our energy supply. Kairos Power is going to be deploying the Hermes low-power demonstration reactor in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. While it will not generate electrical power, will demonstrate the delivery of heat at temperatures that allow us to produce a wide variety of different products. Our major motivation in deploying the Hermes low-power demonstration reactor is to demonstrate the environmental benefits of nuclear power. Hermes is a nuclear reactor. It uses uranium as its fuel, and because uranium has enormous energy density, we can derive far more energy out of this fuel than we can from fossil fuels. We use a fission reaction, and in the fission reaction, we have a nucleus of uranium-235 or other fissile materials, and we have a neutron which interacts with that nucleus, causing a fission reaction, which releases two fission products and an enormous amount of energy, 200 million electron volts. This is 1 million times more than one can get from chemical reactions. We also get additional neutrons from this reaction. These additional neutrons are used beneficially, including to sustain the chain reaction. The fuel that we use is embedded into tiny little particles that are fully ceramic and go to extremely high temperature. They're called TRISO, and the Department of Energy has developed this fuel form and made it available to vendors like Kairos Power. And those particles are then embedded in a graphite pebble the size of a ping pong ball. The amount of energy that we can get from a single pebble worth of fuel is tremendous. It's equal to burning 4 tons of coal, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, the other neat thing is that we're using a molten salt coolant called FLiBe. It's a mixture of lithium and beryllium fluoride. This coolant has tremendous properties because it's chemically stable, intrinsically low pressure, and we can deliver heat at very high temperature. So we can produce steam at conditions that rival the best-in-class fossil plants, but without any carbon emissions. This is the major goal of our technology development work, and we're really proud to be able to deploy the Hermes low-power demonstration reactor in the next few years in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. We're constantly developing new hardware, testing it, confirming how it performs, and then updating the designs to introduce additional improvements. This type of testing is fundamental to the Kairos philosophy that we need to build hardware so that we can confirm that it will work reliably. And with each iteration, we introduce additional improvements. The performance that we're achieving today in terms of delivering heat is absolutely remarkable. And this gives us the ability to then support the generation of electricity in future power plants with very high thermal efficiency and very low waste heat generation, and absolutely fantastic safety characteristics. In the longer term, will enable us to decarbonize our energy supplies worldwide. This is the tremendous potential that's provided by nuclear energy as a low-carbon power source, and we're very excited to be able to build the Hermes reactor at our KP, Tennessee site in Oak Ridge, working with local communities and others to show that nuclear power has the potential needed to decarbonize U.S. and world energy supply.